Oh, good God, it is the Doctor! He will try to destroy us Daleks again. We must stop him. I must call for backup to stop the Doctor. He is here to attack the Daleks. Exterminate! 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 Greetings, fellow Dalek. It appears the Doctor has arrived. We must stop him at all costs. It appears he is illegally parked in a no-TARDIS zone. What will you do, fellow Dalek? What will you do to the Doctor's TARDIS? We will tow away the Doctor's TARDIS. It is illegally parked in a no-TARDIS zone. Let us see the Doctor try to stop us now. All hail victory to the Daleks! Exterminate! 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 The Doctor is now ours! We have won! Exterminate! Exterminate! Exterminate!